Welcome to day 30 of 31 days of Halloween themed prints. We are literally one print away from receiving this Halloween themed trophy. Make sure you guys check out all previous videos of this challenge. It has been exciting. It has been a long process. It's been a lot of work, and I'm really looking forward to tomorrow. Today is a nice detailed print of Vecna from Stranger Things. If you haven't seen it, I highly recommend going watching it. But let's just hop into this print. Highly recommend if you are a Stranger Things fan, this is a must-have in your collection. Definitely wish this was bigger, like more of an actual bust size. And if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you like and subscribe. And make sure you guys check back with us tomorrow at 9 a.m. Central Time for our last daily video. For now, make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you can get notified as soon as we upload any other content on the channel. But here goes to the final print for tomorrow.